You're welcome to my channel. I hope your business is doing well. I hope your rabbits are growing very beautiful, fine, and some of them are ready to be sold. In today's video, we're going to look at why your mother rabbit refused to feed their kitten. Why your mother rabbit refused to feed the younger ones, the baby rabbits. Why is it that your rabbit is not feeding or breastfeeding the kittens? So today we're going to look at it. We're going to examine critically, and I'm going to reveal to you some of the secrets and some of the reasons why your rabbit is not feeding her kittens. And we're going to look at the way out. If the rabbit is not feeding her kittens, what are we going to do so as to make the rabbit start breastfeeding the kittens? Or what are you to do so that your baby rabbits will not die? So these are some of the things we're going to look into in this video. So subscribe if you have not subscribed. Click on that notification bell. I've not been posting on rabbit feed on rabbit these days because we have been doing a lot of research, and after this video we're going to also upload a great video on how you will care for your mother rabbit, the baby rabbit, what to feed, how to handle it, where to keep it, everything you need to know on how to care for your mother rabbit and the baby rabbit. There are three major reasons why the rabbit has neglected her kittens. So we are going to look at it one by one. Number one is feeding. What you feed your rabbit with. Number two is the maturity. And then number three is how you handle your rabbit. So let's look at number one, feeding. Now, if you did not feed your rabbit well, or when the rabbit was pregnant, you did not feed the rabbit well, when the rabbit put to bed, it may not feed the younger ones because there may be no milk. Also, if you give your rabbit the wrong feed, the wrong type of feed, when the rabbit was pregnant or when you were raising the rabbit, there are two types of feed: the grower feeds and the breeder's feed. Now, when your rabbit was growing, those ones that you have selected for breeding, and then you feed them with the grower, they will grow fat, and then when they put to bed, there will be no milk. So for that reason, the rabbit knows that there is no milk in her, so she cannot feed the younger ones. Now, what you need to do is to know that these feeds is for growers, and so let me use them to feed for those that I'm about to sell, those ones that are for meat. Now, you need to, if you want your rabbit to take care of the young ones, you need to feed them with the breeder's feeds. So you must balance it. Now, the easiest way is to feed a rabbit with natural feeds like grasses and those things that are just natural. That way, you are just giving them a natural and normal feeds. Let's look at the number two reason, maturity. You see, most breeders or most rabbit farmers, they are very fast. They are in a hurry to breed their rabbits when their rabbit is so young or so tender. And so because you want your rabbit to put to bed so that you grow fast and expand, you go about breeding a rabbit that is not really matured. The rabbit has not attained the matured age, the real age for breeding. Maybe the rabbit is 4 months old, 5 months old. It's not yet strong enough to take care of the young ones. So the rabbit will certainly conceive, put to bed, but may not take care of the kittens, may not take care of the babies. So for you to avoid that, you must allow your rabbit to be mature. Allow the rabbit to grow, to mature at least 7 to 9 months, 10 months old. Then you start breeding. You must be patient for the rabbit to be matured enough. It will give you better results. It will give you great, good results. So in order to avoid your rabbit neglecting the younger ones when they put to bed, then you need to use real matured rabbit. Number three is how you handle your rabbit. Let's look at this very quickly because this is one of the commonest mistakes that breeders make. The way you handle your rabbits will affect the way your rabbit also respond or care for their young ones. Now let's look at it this way. If you had been handling your rabbits with clean hands, and then when the rabbit put to bed, after spraying your perfume or rubbing cream, you go and touch the babies, the rabbit will automatically not go close to those babies again. Not because you touch them, but because of the smell, the change in smell. What the rabbit uses in identifying its own babies smell, they sniff and know that this is my own and this is my own, not my own. So when they perceive another smell, they assume that those ones are not the ones they put to bed to, and so they cannot feed them. So you don't just get up in the morning with your smell, stinky hands. Maybe you put on the soap, the odor of soap on your hands, or you just slice vegetables, onions, whatever you just touch, and then you come and lay hands on the rabbits. That way you are scaring the mother rabbit away. So you should avoid that. Now, if you have made that mistake already, there's a way you can do it. Now, the easiest way to do that is to rub your hands with the feed that you always give your rabbit, the one you use regularly, that the rabbit has identified. So if you rub it on your hands, you touch the baby rabbits, and then the mother will not reject it. Also, you can use the little amount, a drop of urine of that mother rabbit, rub it on your hands, and then that way you can touch the rabbit, the mother rabbit, and also touch the baby rabbit. Solution number 3 is after washing your hands, put on your hand gloves and also touch the mother frequently before touching the baby. That way the odor, the smell on the mother's body, you have transferred it to your hands, and so if you touch the baby rabbits, it will no longer smell different. So that way the mother will identify the babies as its own. So because what they really use in scent, detecting that this is my own, this is not my own, is the scent, is the smell. So if they sniff and it's no longer that smell, they neglect the rabbits. Now, if you have done this trait, and if you have, you're giving them the best feed, and they are not caring for the rabbits, and you look at the way their maturity is okay, and then you do not touch the rabbit anyhow, and they are supposed to breastfeed the baby, yet they are not breastfeeding, then this is what you should do. Make sure you hold the mother down very tight and bring the kittens to the mother. To the mother's breast, let them suck. And you can do that 3 times a day. 3 times a day, that is morning, noon, and night. And when they are well fed, when they suck very well, you transfer them to the box to avoid cold. Protect the kittens, and that way before 2 weeks, 3 weeks time, they will be okay. They will approach the mother by themselves, and by that time the mother will be familiar with the kittens and no longer have problems. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. See you in our next video. Bye bye.